What's going on everybody, welcome to the Data Studios. Today we're gonna be show you how you can change the theme at your convenience in the Play Store app. If this video is important for you, then don't miss a second. So let's start. First of all, go to the home screen of your device and find the Play Store app. If you find it, then click on it. After that, you will see such a screen like that. Do you notice the orange color round thing in the corner of my screen? What is it? Yes, this is the profile. Your profile also will be there no matter what color it is. Click your profile and find the settings option. Here is my settings option and I am click on it. After that, click the first option, general. After clicking the general, you will see the main option, theme. Here you see I'm using the dark theme. If you want to use the white theme, then select the light option. You see, now your Play Store is full of white right now. But I'm comfortable in the dark option, and the system default is dark option is one kind of same. So here you see system default and dark is already same. So it doesn't matter. So that's it guys, that's how you can change or select the theme at your convenience in the Play Store. So if you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if you want to watch like these more videos, then must be subscribed to get any latest update from our channel, and show us your love by sharing our videos. You can ask any questions, suggestions or doubt. We will reply each and every comment you leave. See you guys on next videos. Stay tuned with us. Ta-ta.